very clear now. Yeah,
Okay, sir. So, about this one is Quasimodo example. I told last time what is I think I already explained that. If
that's right.
the price already hit the target, you cannot take the trader here. You cannot take it here. Okay, cannot take it. What is the next one? This one is another example. We already see that. This one is stop loss trailing. Okay, stop loss trailing.
Yep.
When the price move to the next price action zone, this one is price action zone. This one is also price action zone. This one is also a price action zone. Okay, you can move
Right.
stop loss to this FTR here when the price break this one. Okay, when the price is in the location, you can move your stop loss from here to here. And first, maybe your stop loss will be here. You can move it to this one here when the price is going to break that one. Okay, sir, the recording is continue in your side.
No, I think you are recording it.
Oh yes, yes, yes,
Right.
yes. Today I'm using another PC to do it. Okay,
Right. It
so
is
we can.
recording. That's what it looks. Yes.
Mm, very good. What is the next one? Is that one? This kind of target you can see in the market. Okay, you can see this target here. Okay, this one. Okay, generally this one can be it is not good flag limits, but this one is fresh, okay, to take your target.
Mhm.
Generally, you can see it by the neckline. Imagine you have double top like that. Okay, the
Mhm.
neckline from here, you can see a kink, a break, and retrace and go down. And this one is like double bottom here, okay, or maybe support there, and you can see the neckline. This kind of neckline here, flag, okay, is good for target. This one also is good. This is left shoulder here. Okay, and very, very nice fresh area. Okay, and you already it is good. You can see this one also is this kind of target is very, very perfect for our setup. Very, very easy to see on the chart. Let's see if I can transfer your chart. Let me check it. What is your last one you are asking for? Okay.
Space. I think you clarified that. Yes.
Yes, let's see. Okay, this one you can see. Let me transfer it in WhatsApp. Okay, let me see. Okay, what is that? Let me check it. This one. Oh, okay. Can you see the cat, sir?
Yes. Yes, I can. Correct.
Okay, I think your cat is that one. Okay. If this
Right.
the last you can see if you take this space to okay this one here, okay, the space from the high here to that one, okay,
Mm-hmm.
it is not so big from this one to this one. Okay, I don't know
Right.
the distance, but I think the distance is not so far. It is not like this high and you have another high like that. Okay, you can see, okay,
Correct.
considering this one and this one, no, you can see the big difference from these two. So for the Quasimodo level here, for me, I will take from where I can change the color here. What is that? Okay, why I can change the color. Okay, they don't give me another color here. Okay, let you can see this one from this one is
Mm-hmm.
can we consider this one as Quasimodo level here, this one, this high here? Okay, maybe,
Uh,
maybe.
maybe yes.
Yes,
Yes.
maybe we can, maybe you can say maybe high, low here, low, higher, high, and lower, low, and but the king will be here. We can see
Correct.
there are too much Quasimodo level here. Okay, there are too much Quasimodo level here, but this one, if this one succeed, okay, I am not
Mm-hmm.
sure this one can hold the
We'll get
price.
through.
Okay, I'm not sure this one can hold the price because you can see this one is too close. Maybe if they want
Mm,
to consider to use that as BS zone for the next movement, it is not it is not good for the next one. This is like three drive movement. Okay, that one is
mm-hmm.
three driver. Well, I can't. This one,
Right.
okay, two and
Two.
three. Okay.
Correct.
Generally, the price can react from the second
Second.
and or the first drive if there are a king here, okay? But you can see this kind of Quasimodo is good. Why? Because we have, you can see here support that became resistance, okay?
Mm-hmm.
We have this kind of paste. This one is FTR here, so they can
Right.
come and trick people from that high here. Okay, look at we start to we make first faking out from here. Okay, start to go down and after go pass up here and go down. Okay, you can look there are too much profit level here from left shoulder. You can see this one work perfectly. Okay, this one
Right.
is last. Okay, but
Last
these
one.
two
Ah,
come with this FTR here. You can take your profit from that.
very
Visa,
clear. Very clear.
this one here. Okay. Maybe if you look on lower time frame, this one is already M5. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This one is bearish engulfing, but I will like to check in tick chart. Okay, maybe you can find some reaction here, but
Mm.
wait, we will see reaction. Okay, we will see reaction.
Right.
Maybe next lesson or because after Quasimodo it is flag limit setup. Okay.
Set up.
And this
Right.
one is very good. Why? Because you can be sure with this kind of location. We have already this one is like FTR here, this box
Correct.
here,
Mm-hmm.
and the high here is reacting with this level
MPL.
here.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So okay, it is maybe high probability, okay, for the this Quasimodo sell here because this real low here, yes, it's very, very good. Real low here is has been engulfed. And another thing you can see, this one is the space, okay? After
Mm-hmm.
the MPL here, price
Right.
make it try to make this FTR here. They keep going down, and you can see the space. Okay, they take
Correct.
some
Correct.
space before
Space.
return to the MPL location. This kind of space is very, very good indicator for us. Okay, to
Mm-hmm.
see if the location, the MPL can hold the price down. Very, very nice.
Got it.
Okay. Let's continue with I think the lesson here. So let's see the flag limit setup. This one is flag limit. Can we trade with that flag, with this kind of flag limit? Yes or not? This one is a flag look like supply, okay? Because it can
Mm-hmm.
hold the price down. So some guy will call it under flag limit. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
This one This one is like a demand, okay, demand flag limit, demand zone, okay. It can hold the price going in long, okay.
Right.
So some guy will call it long flag limit, but the The name is not so important, sir, but you just need to know, okay, the important thing for the setup and how the setup look for your trade. We don't trade with this kind, okay? We don't trade this kind of flyer, okay? Why? Because there are no decision point. You cannot see decision point here, sir. Can you show me decision point here? This one is just simple flag limit, okay? A movement that break, okay? A movement that break the support here, drop base, drop breaking support here. Okay, this one is really based on really breaking resistance.
Mhm.
So this kind is not, it's just a flag limit. But look,
But is that a flag limit? I think
uh,
that was an FTR. Price, it
uh,
never kept the price high or low.
uh-huh,
The previous slide, go back to the previous slide.
yes. Uh,
uh, FL,
y-
on the left side or the other diagram. This is a FTR. Why do you call this a flag limit? For flag limit, it should go back, touch the rectangle, and then go further down. That's my understanding.
yes,
What would be the,
this one is flag limit, sir. You mean that one or this one?
yeah, the upper one that you have drawn is a flag limit.
Oh,
Yeah,
maybe, sir, but it is not
yeah,
flag limit. It is not. Maybe there are mistake in this line here. Okay, so no, it
correct.
is just support. It's support.
Okay.
Imagine price is going down from here, and this one also price is going up from here. Okay, and you have a level here. Price go down, and
Mhm.
after return to break that.
Mhm.
Okay, so this
So
one is
what
a
is
resistance.
difference? What would be an F? What is the difference between an FTR and a flag limit? Could you show us the schematic? Very simple schematic.
Okay. I don't, maybe, don't you see
Okay.
the recording on that? We send it in the group. Okay, we can show you.
Okay.
This one is,
Yes, this is exactly what I'm referring to.
yeah, this one is FTR. Okay. Okay, there are no barrier here. This one also
Right.
is FTR. Okay. But you need to see this one is FTR that
Correct.
become a flag limit. Okay.
I'm
FTR.
referring to this exactly.
Hmm. Okay. But now you can see another movement here.
Hmm.
Okay, this one is a flag after breaking resistance here. And when the price come in the other side, okay, it
The
break.
swap flag limit. Yeah.
Yes, swap flag limit. This one is also FTF flag, but the sweep on the right side become flag.
This is
Okay.
swap flag limit. Yes.
Yes. So but FTL we call another thing FTL this one. You can see the base of a
Hmm.
flag. Imagine you have this kind of, let me show. Imagine this one is FTL a flag, okay, right?
Hmm. Right.
After breaking this support now, but this cape here, okay, this cape
Hmm.
here, okay, is
Right.
also FTL, okay. The cape here,
This
we
is
call that cape. We call also
right.
cape FTL.
FTR.
Yes.
Okay.
So it is
Okay.
not difficult. It is not difficult. Very easy. Look at that one. You can see
Mm.
this kind of flag. The blue one, we don't trade the blue one. Okay. We need to have
Right.
some condition like seeing decision points inside it. Okay. Look
Right.
at this one. The difference is in that one. Okay, the rally, base rally,
Hmm.
okay, break this resistance. Okay, so it is flag limit. You need to go on lower time frame. Decision point can usually see in lower time frame. Okay, sir. Don't go
Very
on
good.
daily and try to see decision point. No. Maybe you can see Quasimodo level on daily, and maybe you need to go more lower, H1 or maybe H4 to check something. Okay, but don't say me you are seeing a decision point on daily. Look, imagine we are seeing like that on H4. Okay, breaking
Right.
resistance here, and we check on H1 or M30, and we starting to see this one. Okay,
Right.
Quasimodo level here, aching here. Okay, so this one is decision point. I will show next slide. We will see a different kind of decision point. This one is
Right.
decision point. At this level here, okay, you can take decision to look for reaction inside this box. Okay, look, we have decision point and maybe the price is actually in that location. Okay, we wait. Mono. Never mind. We wait for retracement here. Okay, resistance become support.
Support.
Yes, yes, become this resistance that become support. First support here, second support here. You can see it is BS zone. Very nice. Okay, they
Exactly.
can do. We have another third support here, and press make a faking out to decision point. Okay, even if they break the decision point, they didn't break the flag limit. Yes, the trade can work. Okay, the trade
Got
can
it.
work. And look at this one is fresh target, and take profit level here. The stop loss, you will put your stop loss just below here, considering the spread. The spread, imagine if you are trading the USD GPA and the spread is about maybe one pipes.
Mhm.
Okay, you
Right.
need to multiply this one by 3. Okay, and
Right.
this one will give you 3 pipes. Okay, so the distance from that to that will be 3 pipes. Okay,
Right.
between the box and your stop loss. So don't put your stop loss in the extreme, okay, of the box, in the line of the box. No, it is not good habit, okay? It is not good. So you need to consider the spread. Clear?
Clear.
So this one is FTR here. That one is FTR on the left side. Okay, very, very easy. This one is FTR. This one is
Flag limit.
flag, okay, FTO that has
Yeah.
been retest immediately and continue. But the next time press break it, and you can see in the sweep flag, you can see a decision point. Okay.
Right.
So this kind of decision point you can see, you can look for approach and reaction to take trade. But look, this is not set up, sir. Okay, just proof to see, to check. Look, this is the main type of decision point. The main
Right.
type of decision point, I will show you uh, the type, the secret. Look at this one. Is that it look like Quasimodo, right?
Yes. Correct.
Yeah, you
Correct.
can see
It's a
in
Quasimodo.
it. Yes, yeah, you can see the market is about the scales. Look, you will see the flag limit on the bigger higher time frame. Okay, and maybe if you check in lower time frame, you will see decision point. And if you look good, you will see it is like high, low, higher, high. And look at where is the
Mhm.
where is the real low
This
here?
is the real low. Correct.
This one, you
This
can
is the
see
one.
this
Right.
condition is already okay to see for the Quasimodo reactions. Okay, so
Very
this
good.
one is decision point, very, very good. You wait for approach, maybe this one is support, it can become resistant next time, or press can do sometime a kink like that to use it to trick people, and after, okay, you can look for reaction here. The second type is similar, but you can see you have resistance here, and this resistance becomes support. Okay, this one is like significant support and resistance level. Okay,
Correct.
and sometimes you can see like a double top here, and this one is look like the neckline. Okay, but look
Right.
at this one is the kink that break it. Okay,
Hmm.
uh, this movement come and take stop loss there and go down there. This resistance became support and move up, okay, to take order and go down. The decision to make the price leaving this level, okay, to limit the flag, okay,
Right.
is real low here, okay. is that one, the king here, okay? He line with this level, very, very, very nice. And you look for this one is decision point, okay?
So the decision point is like the Quasimodo setup that we discussed in the previous, but
Mm,
in a lower scale.
oh, oh, yes,
It
yes, but
has,
this
it
this
meets
is
all the
flag.
conditions. Yeah. This is
These were
flag. Yes.
oh, yes,
They are flag limits. Yeah.
yes, these were all you need to see them in flag limit, okay? It is
Right.
flag limit, sir. Okay, this box here. So inside it on lower time frame, you will see this kind of structure, okay, as decision point.
Right.
If you don't see a clear decision point, sir, I
Mhm.
advise people to stay away from this level, okay, this kind where you, if you cannot see clearly the decision point, no, it is not a good setup, okay? It is not a good setup. Look at
Right.
that. This one is the second type, the third type, okay? The first
Mhm.
one is flag, breaking this resistance level there. And look at the press move and make a high there and go down. You can see and make a sweep movement. Drop base,
Right.
okay, drop. And this one is flag B. And this flag B is our decision point, okay? Because this
Right.
one is already inside a flag. So you can see to understand the market, okay, you can see a bigger demand zone or a bigger flag limit on a higher time frame or maybe weekly. And maybe if you try to dissect it and go on maybe H1, you can see a flag E, flag B, okay, inside
Mhm.
that bigger flag. Okay, so you can try to look inside this location for pressure reactions, okay, and
Right.
take your trade and find good target. This one is common one. Okay, I think SMC trader know that you have one resistance, two resistance, press two faking out. Okay, the distance it is not if it is so far, it is not good. Okay, look at if you have this
Mhm.
kind of location resistance, and the price come and do that and come. No, it is not
Mhm.
good. Or if it is so far, if this moment is too big, it is not good. Okay, generally, if it is just small, okay, look at it's very, very perfect. Okay, it will work.
Very clear.
You look for reaction inside it. You don't need a king here. Okay, you don't need a king
Right.
for this one. Okay, this structure, this decision point is simple. One, two, resistance, and press faking out there. Okay, like very, very easy. But now you need to go on chart. If you check, okay, if you found to practice reaction, look for flag limit that hold the price, okay?
Right.
And try to check for the how the price approach, okay, to react with the flag, okay? Make the annotation and look on lower time frame. Sometimes you need to go on M1 to see clearly the movement they are doing as a reaction. Okay, this one
Right.
is two resistance there and press break, retrace and move up. We go on H M1, okay, M1 here, time frame, you see it. And you need to see the decision point. This one is the third type, okay? This one is the king here, sir.
Right.
Okay, okay.
Correct.
Maybe there are we need sometimes teacher to see clearly something. Look inside that this box is like the king here. Okay.
Right.
And look how the price make. Okay. Some firstly we have a okay like compression, sticky twice approaching the zone. Okay. And
Mhm.
price two support here and
Right.
faking out inside here and move up. But you make note like the two resistance is too close, sir. Okay?
Right.
The two resistance is too close. So the reaction we use here to enter in the buy, okay, the great reaction is that. Okay, look at this.
Mm.
Is this one compression, yes or not?
Correct. Correct. This is
Let's move
compression.
up to take order here. A breakdown, move up to take order. So when the price, okay, make fake out after break is up, okay, to enter in the compression zone, and you can see it come back to this FTR, good FTR here. So this one is very good. Okay, you can buy safely here. Okay, right?
Right. Right.
Yes, can buy, and this one is your target, your legal target. So it this one is M1. So don't try to be a narrow and trying to hold the trade. No, sir, this
Mm.
one is our very, very perfect target. Look at this one is left shoulder and it is fresh. Okay, left shoulder here, you take your
Right.
profit here, okay? Because after that, you know, sometimes if you try to hold the price, to hold your trade, the price can
Mm.
come back, sir, and hit your stop loss,
Right.
and after trying to go up, okay? Okay, if you can do this kind of trade one time, so maybe if the profit is $20, so make it 10 times, okay?
10
100 times,
times.
so to have much money, sir, okay?
Right.
The problem is people want to do $1,000 in one trade. No, it is not about the money, sir. Okay, it is about the setup and the process. The guy that try to make $1,000 on $10,000 in one trade is because they don't have the mind of trader. Okay, they try to do it like lottery jackpot. You know, if
Gambler.
they like gamblers, if they win the $10,000, I think they will leave trading, sir. But we are
Mm.
not here for that. This one we don't trade that. Okay, don't trade this
Correct.
that one. This one is a king. The situation you
Right.
have support and you can see a movement that come. The movement didn't break, okay? The movement is just in line with the support and make a retrace like that and shoot down. So it look like flag, okay? But
Mm-hmm.
it is not flag, okay? It is just a
Right.
king. We don't trade that, okay? Maybe we can come next time to do a trick with that, okay? So we can try to have our trade zone. But this one is not a trade zone here. This one also, we don't have a decision point. If you don't have the decision point, don't look for trade inside this kind of kink. Okay, generally, it is a small box. Okay, generally it is small. Okay.
Right.
Next one is that one. You can see the small one. They will use it to make a trick here. Okay, look at. Oh, no, it is not that. Okay, it is that one. Okay, look, the king, this
Mm-hmm.
one is support here, and we come to just make, okay, bounce from it to retrace and go down. Okay, they do that, but the next time, okay, we come using it to trick people because supply and demand trader like to sell from that one. So we know, okay, as we know, people will try to sell from that. First sell, they are happy. Second sell, they are happy. Okay, Bitcoin price is going down, but market is the king. Market move up to take stop loss because maybe they put their stop loss here. Stop loss hit. Okay, all these people stop loss has been hit. Okay, next time price is going down and they make a decision to base drop. Okay, to shoot down. So we are looking inside that one. Okay, next time when the price come back, we are looking for reaction. You can see this can is also similar. Okay, the king where we cannot see decision point. Okay, if you see a king and there are no decision point, okay, you must understand they will use, okay, maybe if the price come back, okay, next time they can use it to make now a good decision point. So look at price come back there, okay, and react with this thing here, go down after trying to move up. You can see stop loss has been hit here. Okay, now we take decision with this big king here to go down. So we are looking for approach and reaction inside that one to look for trade. Okay, let me
Right.
show you the golden setup about flag limit in the market. Okay, We don't have time with that. Look at. We call it flag E flag B, sir. Market is moving up like that. You have resistance there and go down. You have low there and move up. Break this resistance there and you have first flag here. Okay. Note, it is not obliged to have decision point inside. No need. Okay. No need decision pointer inside the first flag. Okay. The E. Okay. Now look, the price move up. Okay. After that, the price move up. Go down. Okay, come back to this flag and after move up, okay, now and break it. Okay, so in definition this one hold the price up. Okay, after that the price come back and break it to make a new flag. And another good thing people must understand is the second flag have is the sweep flag, but the second have decision point. Okay, good. Okay,
Correct.
now, the another thing is, look, okay, the second one is more bigger, okay, than the first one, okay. This is due to because the second one have decision point and you can see the first one didn't have. Okay, so it is normal for the second to have bigger, okay, to be bigger than the first one. Okay, if you check, you see this kind of setup and the second is like that. No, it is not good. Okay, if the second one is smaller than the first one or same as the first one, the probability is not so good. Okay, the one is this kind. Okay, and the last condition is the price need okay to break this low here. This one is like the real low. From here, the price move to break the resistance to create the flag E. Okay, the price need to break that low to make this kind of engulf. Otherwise, the setup, it is not the setup. Okay, look, if the price just stop here, okay, okay, and move up, doing some manipulation here, okay, looking like it will work, and come back here to the decision. Not, no, 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 no. It is very, very risky. You cannot take this trade, okay? You cannot take this trade because you can see this wall movement can be deep retrace, okay? Because after that price can just shooting up to move up, okay? And this will be a deep retrace, okay? The last condition we need for the price to break this is very, very important. This engulf is important, okay? And you can see price take some space there. This one is April support became resistance and picking out inside to decision point. When it go down, look at this one is very, very good target. We can take our profit very, very easy. Look, okay, this one is the same one, okay, but the difference is the first flag has been created after, okay, breaking a Quasimodo, fell Quasimodo level, okay. You look, this one is high, low, higher, high, and lower, low. Quasimodo structure, okay. Look, and when the price come there, if it is really a great setup, price will try to bounce from there. But no, price it is failed. Okay, you look, this one is like diamond. Okay, with the high here, it is diamond. Okay, so the first A is a king. Okay, is like a flag. Okay, E line with a Quasimodo level. The difference is that. So this one give more confluence, okay, and probability for the succeed of the setup. Okay, it is not just a resistance. Okay, the press has break to create the flag E. No, it is a Quasimodo structure level. The press has break. Okay, sometimes you can see even if there are no a king here. Okay, you have high, low, higher, high, lower, low. When you press come there, it take decision to break. Okay, and quit this flag. It is flag. Okay, and move, come back, and after do that, go down. This is, and you have your decision here, and the same condition, press need to break this low there. It will engulf that to make our setup valid. Okay. So now when we press do another approach there, you can say now, yes, 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 I'm looking for reaction here. Very, very, very easy. Okay. So let's see this one. On the chart, you can see example. This one is the resistance here. Okay, look, price is moving like that. Resistance here and go down. Okay. From the resistance, price make this low here. Okay. There are two low. There are first one here, and that you can see if you do. Okay, the impulsive moment. Okay, retracement, impulsive moment, retracement. You can see this one is from below, price move to break the resistance to quit with flag E. So this one is the real low. It is not that one. Okay, it is not that. This one is mistake. Okay, so
Could you explain the real low once again? This is an
I
important
mean
one.
from below
Yeah.
the price come to break the barrier to create the flag. It is
Okay.
simple. From this, okay, it is not from this load, sir. Okay, after the barrier creation, okay,
Mm-hmm.
it is
Mm-hmm.
important. After the barrier creation, look, the barrier is that. Okay, there are another barrier here, but this one is not.
Right.
It is from this barrier we have this flag. Okay, when we have a barrier here, it can be support or resistance or supply or demand zone. This one is a barrier. Look for from the low or from the high. Okay.
Mm.
Look after that. Price go down. We have low here. Okay. We have high here. Okay. It didn't break. Okay. Again, we have low here. We have you can see from this low it
Mm-hmm.
move, okay, to break
Right.
the barriers here. So now we can say this one is very yellow. Can
Got
you
it.
see it? If you to
Yes.
check
Yeah.
it, it is easy. Okay, point the okay, make point the real high of the no the barrier. Okay, you need to put your mouse in the real high of the no in the barrier, and after that put the low. Okay, from the low. Okay, to twice move to break it. Or maybe you can check that one. Okay, we have low there, we have low there. But from low, no, it is not that, it is not that, it is this one. From that, we press move and break this resistance to retrace and move up. So this one is the real low here. Okay, so look at the flag B. This is the flag E. Okay, this is the flag B. Okay, this
Right.
bigger one. So look that it is not this smaller, the flag this, no, it is this
Mm-hmm.
red one, okay? This red one is a flag B. Okay, even if you want to say me it is the smaller one, so it will be this one is like minor, okay?
Minor. Yes.
Okay, and this one is the
Minor and major.
measure, okay,
Correct.
so because you can see inside that, I don't think there are no clean decision point, okay? We are on M15. Okay, the clean decision point can be seen in the flag, the red one. Okay, this one is okay,
Mm.
the level here, and you can see this is high, low, higher, high. Okay, and lower, low. Press will come back to that. Easy, 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 easy. So, okay, I will send you link. Okay, so check in your Telegram. We will finish flag limit setup. Okay.
Right.
Okay, which there are maybe four slider. Okay, we will finish it. We'll finish that. Okay, let me